Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a bunch of untracked files in VS Code. Let's fix that and keep your Git workspace clean in just a few seconds. First of all, open the VS Code and open the file or respective folder you want. Then check the source control panel. Click source control icon on the left sidebar, or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus G, which is the shortcut key. Ctrl plus Shift plus G. As you can see here, source control panel, you will see all untracked file listed under the changes. And step 2 is to add the file you want to track. Right click the file, state changes, or use the shortcut. In Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus G and select file and press plus button, or terminal git add file name. Commit your changes, enter a commit message, click the tick commit button. And to remove files you don't want tracked, if a file shouldn't be tracked, add it to .git ignore or remove it with git rm-cached file name. And that's how you deal with untracked file in VS Code. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.